sanitizer. Oh my God, I can't say it. Hand sanitizer. It looks like it's a little dried out though, because as I'm still going over, you see it's not so pigmented. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing 2 budget-friendly subscription boxes. This is the Glitz Glam box. This is for the month of July. This is only $15 a month, and I love this subscription. And then you have the Diva Bag by SONYA. This is $12 a month. This is the June bag because I always get it late. I always get it in the next month. And I'll have to tell you a little bit about this when we go to it. So, if you want to see what I got in both beauty bags and are they worth the price, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so let's open up the Glitz Glam box. I say this every month. I'm a little biased with this because the owners are 2 sisters and they are from New Jersey, South Jersey to be exact, which that is where I am from. And it's $15 a month. This is an indie subscription and they always use indie brands in their bag. So I just love that so much. So, and this is also black owned. Actually, both of these subscriptions are black owned, just in case if you're interested in supporting them, the companies. All right, so let's cut her open. All right, it looks like some things didn't fit all wrapped up, or it came unwrapped. All right, so that is everything that is in here. They usually package it up pretty good. And one thing I do like about the subscription, like, they don't play. Because I always get it the first month of each month. And I do pay for both of these subscriptions. This is called Summer Soiree. Soiree? I'm not sure how to pronounce it. And that's what it looks like. And it tells you what everything is and gives you prices, which I like that. So the first thing that I'm saying, look at the packaging. So you always get lashes in this subscription, but it looks like, look at the packaging. It's an ice cream cone. This is from J Lash. So pretty. These are really, really pretty. Oh my God. They look like natural, but nice. If I wore lashes, I don't wear lashes, but my daughter does. If I wore lashes, this is probably something that I would go for. Maybe not as long, but definitely. All right, so this is called Ice Cream Lashes, and they are $8.99. It is from J Lash, and they're 3D faux make lashes in the style Sprinkle. That is really, really pretty. Okay, so then we have everything else wrapped up. All right, so there are 3 more items in here. You usually get between 3 to 4 items every month. So there's 4 items this month. But guys, you also get glitter, or you might get like a single eyeshadow in here as well. Sometimes an eyeshadow palette. But you always get some sort of palette. But would you look at this packaging? So this is the Glitz Glam box glitter. And let's see how much this is. So this is called Glitz Glitter Pop for $9.99, but the packaging is so cute. Look at that. It's like a lollipop. Oh, that is just adorable. So this is like a bronzy gold color. Okay, love the packaging. The next thing is this palette. So this is a buzzed and blushed palette. This is $9.99. You could have got Rose All Day or Cosmo or Kinda Night. So 3 different styles. Rose All Day, Cosmo, Kinda Night. So 2 of them you could have got. And what did I get? I'm not sure because it doesn't say what style I got. I have no idea, but let's open her up. Oh, because of the packaging, I thought it was just 3 blushes, but it's not, guys. Look, you get a lot to choose from. This is really, really nice. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes and 2 like shimmery shades. This one and this one. And then this one here, if you're very fair, you can kind of use it as a bronzer. But let's do some swatch. Oh, they feel really good. Okay, so here are the first 4. So they're not really pigmented. This one is the light shimmery shade, but for blushes, I like it like that because I like when you can build them up. I'd rather do that than you put too much blush on and you're like, whoa. And I'm into this thing now where like I put it on my nose too, like a sunburn effect. I don't know why I start doing it, but I really like it. So they are the last two. So they, like I said, they're not too pigmented, but let's just see if it deepens up. I'm pretty sure it will. Oh yeah, see, I put it on the last one and they definitely deepen up. But like I said, this is my type of blush where you have to build it. And usually I go for like more the peachy colors, so I'm glad to get some like pink colors because I don't have a lot of that in my collection. I really like this. And how much was this? $9.99, so for 10 bucks, that's not bad. And then last but not least, this is a Diamond Matte from Vermilion Cosmetics. This is a gloss lip duo for $28. I remember getting something from this brand before, actually in this subscription, and it might have been like a duo before, and I remember like saying $28. Now this is an indie brand, but for a brand that's not that popular, I mean, and it's more expensive than these higher end brands, I would never pay $28 for this. I'm not going to open it or swatch because I have a lot of lipsticks and lip glosses already. So I'd rather put this in a future giveaway because if I put it in my drawer, it'll just go bad because I have so many. But having said about it being $28, that's why I'm glad to get subscription boxes because it's not like you really did pay $28. So I will put the retail value for everything right up here. Remember, it's only $15. So let's recap what we got. So you have this lip duo right here. You have this beautiful blush palette. And like I said, you always get some sort of palette. Most of the time you get eyeshadow palettes. You get this nice glitter, and you usually get glitter in here as well, but sometimes instead of the glitter you might get like a single eyeshadow or something like that, maybe a couple eyeshadows. So, and you always get lashes. So if you love lashes and makeup, and this is a makeup box, I don't remember ever getting any kind of skincare unless it was like setting spray, you know, but this is always all makeup. So if you're looking for, except in lashes, but so if you're looking for that, not really skincare, then this might be the box for you, especially it's only $15, you know. All right, so let's go in with the SONYA Diva Bag, or how do they say it? Diva Bag by SONYA. This is only $12 a month, so it's very affordable. And this is basically all makeup too. Now, the reason why I get it so late every month, it's my own fault. I didn't know that. When I signed up for it, I signed up at the end of the month. And when you sign up the end of the month, she takes it out right away, and then she ships it in a couple days. So if you want this early in the month, then what you need to do is subscribe for it like the beginning of the month of every month. That way you'll get it in that month. I didn't know that. And this is probably about the third or fourth month that I got it. I don't always put it up on my channel because, like I said, it's already the first week of July and I'm doing June's box. And then so sometimes what I would do when the other month comes and put two of them together, but by that time, the time I got the other one to do two of them, it's already the following month. And so that's why. So I did cancel this subscription. A lot of the things in here I don't really use since I get so many subscriptions, because this is more like I would think of for a teenage girl or somebody just getting into makeup or wanting to build their makeup collection. For me, because I get so much that this is just a waste of $12 for me to get every month. But I definitely recommend this if you are looking to build your makeup collection or don't know what style of makeup you want. Another thing I do like about this subscription, you get to pick the colors that you want in here. That's pretty cool too. But let's open it up. I haven't seen anybody that unboxes for June because I try not to really do any like sneak peeks or anything, so I could be surprised. I never pick anything myself because I just want to be surprised. I do see a card this month, so that's good. But the card doesn't tell you what everything is. So, and what I cut into was this mask. I didn't know. I didn't really cut it deep, but I don't know. Let me just show you what I got. So you always get candy every month, which I like that, and I love Starburst. And you want to go melt into my heart? Send me some candy. Love that. All right, so the first thing we got is from the Creme Shop. So we have a moisturizing hand sanitizer. My God, I can't say it. Hand sanitizer, which right about now, this will definitely come in handy. So I'm glad to get that. I wish there was a card where she would put prices on. Then we have this L'Oreal Purple Smoke, what is this? Eyeliner. Right there. So let's open her up and see the color. Oh, what is this? This is more of a, oh no, it's not a sponge. That's different. Is this an eyeshadow? I have to look into it. It's like a sponge, but see? It looks like it's a little dried out though, because as I'm still going over, you see it's not so pigmented. Unless you have to like, you know, sit it down, but I don't like that at all. I don't know what it is. Where's the thing? Let me read and see what it is. So this I think is an eyeliner. Yeah, this is a pen eyeliner. And let me do it again. So as you see when I shook it, let me show you again. Yeah, I think it's just dried out. It must, unless you push it hard. I don't know. I have to play around with this more. The next thing we have is this mask. Okay, so it's an eye mask. At first I thought it was, because the picture surprised me because this is a mask here. And so that's what I thought this was at first. But no, this is an eye mask. Okay, because if I slid it, I wouldn't have wore it. But it's an eye mask that you put over. It is cute. So we have that, and then we have this. And once I open this, I'll give you my final thoughts, and then I'll let you know a little bit more what I think of this subscription. Okay, so this is from NYX, and this is an eyeshadow palette. It is called the Sex Bomb from NYX. I don't want to open this because I have so many eyeshadow palettes. That red is really, really pretty. And let's see what shade. TSB01. I don't know what that is right there. But it is very, very pretty. It's more of like you get a smoky eye. I love that pop of red. It's really, really pretty. But I'd rather put this in a future giveaway because, like I said, I have so many eyeshadow palettes, so many lipsticks that it'll just go to waste. And I'd rather give to somebody that will use that. So let's recap what we got for this month, well, last month's box. So we have an eyeshadow palette. We have this eye mask, which it is cute, you know. We have this eyeliner, which I don't know. I don't know how to feel about that. And then we have from the Creme Shop, we have a hand sanitizer and 2 candies. We can't forget about that. So this is a 12-month subscription, and when you get a subscription, you kind of want to get double the value, hopefully triple the value, but at least double the value. And basically, you're getting like $12 worth. Like, you're getting your value, but you're not getting any extra value. And for me, because I get so many subscriptions, this is a personal preference, that I want something that I definitely see the value. I want something to wow me because I get so many, I kind of have to slow down. I'm getting overwhelmed with the things that I have. But other than that, like I said, I think this is great. This is a Black-owned company. If you want to support Black-owned companies, I think you definitely get your $12 worth of value. But let me know what you guys think. And the owner is so lovely and nice, you know. But I have to be honest in my feelings how I feel about this subscription. And it's definitely, I'm glad to see more budget-friendly subscriptions as well. But like I said, let me know what you guys think down below of the Glitz Glam box and the SONYA Diva Bag. So please rate this video. So give me a thumbs up if you enjoy me unboxing these on our channel. Let me know if you like these longer videos. Give me a thumbs down if, I don't know if you want to give me a thumbs down. Let me know all the tea. If you enjoy unboxings, mystery boxes, reviews, hauls, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would really love for you to join our family. Don't forget to turn that post notification bell on and make sure you double tap it and make sure that it's on all. That way you'll get notified for all of my future videos. And that's everything, guys. Please stay blessed, stay healthy, and try to stay cool. I was going to say warm. Try to stay cool in this hot weather that we're having. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.